Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. Malik gets an allowance of $9 each week from his parents for doing chores around the house. He saves 25% of his allowance. How much does Malik save each week? So we know that they give us a bunch of information. So one of the things that they give us is this $9. What is that? That's his total allowance. So let's have in our tape diagram, let's have the top bar be talking about dollars and the bottom one be talking about percent. Now remember, when you have all of something, you have 100%. So 25% is one of the percents that's listed. We'll put that here. And they mentioned that that's how much he saves. So let's just make a little box that's about 1/4. And then remember, we'll need to think about that in terms of money. Now, is that what they want? Do they want this dollar amount? Because you have to ask yourself, well, what's the other piece of this, right? This would be the rebalance of it, or 75%. And that might be how much he didn't save. And there would be a dollar amount involved with that as well. And these $2 amounts would have to add up to be $9. But at any rate, let's think about what we know. We have the all of it number, which is 9. So when we have the all of it number, then we have the option of multiplying that all of it number with our favorite equivalent of this. If we want to change this into a decimal, we just have to move that decimal over 2 positions to the left. So that is equal to 25 hundredths. So what most people might find is they might find it's easiest to just multiply. Let me move that multiplication symbol up a little higher. It would be probably easiest for most folks to multiply these two numbers together and get their answer that way. But if you're a fan of proportional reasoning, that's an option. If we're going to do it that way, we would put our equal sign, put our fraction bars, we would say parts and wholes. And in the percent world, if we have this left ratio be talking about percent, it's 25 out of 100. Some people would simplify that to make that a little bit more user friendly. This would be the all of it when we're trying to find the part. So take your pick on which one you think looks easier. I have my opinion. I kind of think this looks easier, but most folks would probably not pay close attention to where the decimal goes. So just be careful if you're doing it this way.